This is Al reporting for Dave TV in the Motu, and I'm here with the fisherman and the lifeguard. And what are we going to do in the morning?
Oh, we're going to slay something. Bloody decks around here.
Yeah, we're going to catch some fish. Check this out. This is the fishing boat. Barracuda. Give him to the big end. Yeah, I know. They're fucking heavy, dude. Fucking heavy. You got it around the way. Yep, I got it. Careful, Will. Yeah! Yeah! Good work. Way to go, Greg! Nice. Good one, Liam, yours. Kill it. You want to wind these ones in? No. Here she goes again. This thing's fucking full. This thing's heavy.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about it. Holy shit.
Holy shit!
I've never seen that.
Normally you get the head back.
I've never seen that, bro. You got that on that TV right now?
I think so.
That's a good little first sounder. 15 kilos.
Wow.
Oh,
Shark.
God.
Yeah, we got double. Yeah, we got double.